Welcome back to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for everything on wheels, from the latest automotive innovations to hidden gems in car history. Today, we're turning the spotlight on a stylish, comfortable, and often underrated midsize sedan that was one of Chrysler's most polished efforts before its production ended, the 2017 Chrysler 200. With a mix of elegance, performance, and technology, the 2017 Chrysler 200 offers a unique take on American automotive design. And in this review, we're diving deep into its specs, features, and overall performance to help you see what made this car stand out in its class. The 2017 Chrysler 200 falls into the midsize sedan category and was available in several trims including the LX, Touring, Limited Platinum, 200S, and the top-tier 200C Platinum. Each version caters to a specific type of driver, whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a more refined, upscale driving experience. Chrysler designed the 200 with modern aesthetics in mind. The exterior is sleek and fluid, with a coupe-like roofline that gives it a sporty yet sophisticated presence. The front fascia features a narrow grille flanked by projector beam headlights and optional LED running lights, giving the vehicle an upscale look even in its base trim. Clean body lines and aerodynamic sculpting add to its appeal, making it one of the better-looking sedans in its segment at the time. Under the hood, the 2017 Chrysler 200 comes with two engine choices. The base engine is a 2.4-liter Tigershark Multi-Air 2 inline-4 engine that produces 184 horsepower and 173 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, a unique offering in this class, and front-wheel drive. For those seeking more power, there's an optional 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine that pumps out an impressive 295 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This engine is also mated to the same 9-speed automatic, and it's available with all-wheel drive, offering enhanced traction and control in various driving conditions. The V6-powered 200 stands out with its acceleration and performance, placing it among the sportier options in the midsize sedan category. Fuel efficiency is respectable for both engines. The 4-cylinder engine achieves an EPA-estimated 23 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway, making it an efficient choice for commuters. The V6, despite its higher output, still manages a decent 19 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, which is competitive considering the power it delivers. Inside, the 2017 Chrysler 200 offers a refined and well-appointed cabin. Soft-touch materials, elegant finishes, and a logically laid-out dashboard make the interior feel upscale for the price point. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, ideal for long drives, and the rear seats offer adequate space for average-sized adults. However, taller passengers might find rear headroom a bit limited due to the sloping roofline. Trunk space is generous with 16 cubic feet of cargo capacity, and the rear seats fold down to expand the space for larger items, adding a dose of practicality to its stylish looks. Technology and infotainment features are solid. Standard on most trims is Chrysler's Uconnect infotainment system, widely praised for its intuitive interface and responsive touchscreen. The available 8.4-inch display is bright and easy to use, offering Bluetooth, voice control, and optional navigation. USB ports, auxiliary input, satellite radio, and a 6-speaker audio system come standard on most models, while higher trims offer premium audio upgrades, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Safety was a key focus for Chrysler with the 200, and it earned high safety ratings from the IIHS and NHTSA. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, stability control, and anti-lock brakes. Optional advanced driver assistance features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The availability of these features made the 200 one of the more safety-focused sedans in its segment during that model year. On the road, the 2017 Chrysler 200 delivers a balanced ride. The suspension does a good job of soaking up road imperfections, making it comfortable for daily driving. The steering is light and easy for city maneuvering, but also responsive enough to inspire confidence on highways or twisty roads, particularly with the sportier 200S trim or the V6 models. The available all-wheel drive system adds an extra layer of control and grip, especially in wet or snowy conditions, which was a rare feature in its class. One notable aspect of the 200's driving experience is the 9-speed automatic transmission. While it offers smooth shifts under most conditions, it can sometimes feel hesitant or indecisive, particularly with the 4-cylinder engine. This was one of the few common criticisms of the vehicle, and although Chrysler improved the tuning over previous years, it remains a point to consider if you prioritize seamless gear changes. When it comes to value, the 2017 Chrysler 200 stands strong. It offers a good blend of features, performance, and design at a price point that was competitive when new and is now even more attractive on the used market. Its quiet cabin, available V6 engine, and upscale materials make it feel more premium than many of its rivals. However, the model's discontinuation in 2017 may affect parts availability or long-term manufacturer support, something potential buyers should weigh carefully. Despite its early exit from the market, the 2017 Chrysler 200 remains a compelling choice for buyers looking for a stylish and comfortable sedan that doesn't break the bank. Whether you choose the efficient 4-cylinder model or the spirited V6 with all-wheel drive, you're getting a car that offers more than you might expect in terms of performance, design, and interior refinement. That wraps up our full review on the 2017 Chrysler 200. We hope this detailed breakdown helped you get a closer look at what this car has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this on classic and modern rides, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. This is Motorsports Mania, where car passion meets performance.